Hi there, welcome to Lagos. So living in waste can make people poor is a very real fact. What we've seen, and not just in Nigeria, but worldwide, people that live in the waste that it generates are afflicted by so many different challenges. Our mission is really driven around helping solve poverty first, particularly where we are in Nigeria. We have a lot of people that don't even have an opportunity to earn a decent wage for their entire lives. Wecyclers value chain works in a very simple way. We go to communities that have difficulties extracting the waste, or communities in general. We provide them an incentive for them to recycle. We collect the recyclable materials that they provide us that are already sorted. We take them to our hubs, whereby we sort them further. We add value in terms of compression and in some cases conversion, and then take the materials that we generate and sell them to off-takers that use them for other recycling activities. Now, the communities where we operate mainly, the big thing that we've seen as a difference is, one, people then understand the value of recycling. When recyclers started out 10 years ago, nobody was recycling. Nobody knew the value of a plastic bottle. Nobody understood that a piece of paper could be recycled, or a cardboard or can. I mean, there were some people doing it, but very few. But now we're seeing that recycling has become a mainstream activity where everybody is participating. People are able to make triple what the minimum wage is as a result of just bringing recyclables to Wecyclers. And that makes me feel great because I understand that now they're able to change their lives. So Wecyclers is really motivated by changing lives, by creating more dignified livelihoods for people. In 10 years, the company has grown significantly. So we started out with bicycles, and now we have high tech compaction vehicles. We have trucks across the entire country. We have facilities in many different locations. We are really proud of our team. And the reason why we're so proud of our team is the fact that we accomplish a lot with very little. Wecyclers really works and accomplishes its goal with such little resources. And it takes a committed team to really get that done.